Few days ago, I came across the iconic scene from The Wolf of Wall Street, Sell Me This Pen, and I smiled. Because I've seen this play so often in interviews, in boardrooms, in training sessions. But the truth is, most people fail the challenge not because they are not good at selling, but because they start at the wrong picture. They start with the pen and not with the person behind it. Let me tell you a quick story. Years ago, I was interviewing a salesperson. I handed him the pen and said, "Sell me this pen." And as usual, he went on about the features. This is a good pen, this writes smoothly, so on and so forth. After 2 minutes, I stopped him and asked him, "Before you sell me the pen, don't you want to know why I need that pen?" He looked confused, and that's when it hit me. Nobody taught him about discovery. He knew the products, but he didn't know about the people. Because the real power in sales is not only about the product, it is about the people you sell it to. It's not about how much you know, it's about how much problem you uncovered and how much you know why they need it. It's all about discovery. So today, let's talk about discovery questions, the most important skill that every salesperson needs. These are the questions that help you understand the customer pain, the customer need, the urgency, the decision-making process, and many more. Once you know that, your pitch becomes sharp, valuable, and relevant. Here are 5 powerful discovery questions that you can use in every sales conversation. The first one, what challenges are you facing right now? This opens the door to his pain points. This helps you to understand the gap your solution needs to fill. How is this problem impacting your daily life? This uncovers the real urgency and the emotional weight. What does the ideal solution look for you? Now you're co-creating the outcome. And the last one, why is this solving now important to you? This gives you why behind the buy. Think about it. How can you solve the problem when you fully don't understand the problem? How can you talk about value when you really don't know what the customer values? How can you position your product when you don't know what is the gap they are going to fill? When you ask these questions, you stop being a salesperson. You be a trusted advisor, one who listens, one who understands, and one who walks the talk with the customer. The customer starts talking more. They open up, they trust you. That's when the magic happens, because now you're not just selling the pen, you're offering a solution built around their needs. Now let's go back to that young salesperson whom I was interviewing. I asked him, "Now can you sell me the pen?" He just smiled and said, "I first need to understand why you need the pen." And that's it. That's the shift. That's the mindset. Great salespeople don't start with answers, they start with questions. If this helped you, hit the like button, share it with your teams, and subscribe for more such stories and strategies. Because great selling doesn't start with the pitch, it starts with the person.